The shoulder tendons, which compose the rotator cuffs, are inserted in the upper extremity of the humerus. The acromion is part of the scapula and forms the top of the shoulder. The tendons rub against the acromion if it's too curved, resulting in irritation and rupture. The acromion is firstly trimmed in order to remove the impingent or excessive contact with the tendons. The bone of the humeral head is prepared to receive the anchors, which will enable the repair. The threads attached to these anchors are passed through the tendon and are tied together to reattach the tendon to the bone. The tendon is repaired, and there is no longer any excess contact between the tendon and the acromion. As a result, the tendon can heal by averting repeated rupture. The shoulder thus recovers mobility and strength and is no longer painful. This operation is performed arthroscopically, without opening the shoulder, through small incisions using a camera to visualize the joint. The operation preserves the other shoulder muscles and enables rapid recovery.